becomes a true superstar.
The following contest is a championship tournament semi-finals match. Making her way to the ring from Copenhagen, Denmark, magnificent Maggie Majors.
If you listened to After the Bell this week, you know this is a match I've wanted to see for quite some time, and it's almost time to start.
A woman meant for the highlight reel. She plans on even more excitement tonight.
One of the best competitors in the women's division.
And from Copenhagen, Denmark, Samantha.
You ask just about anyone in the back, and they'll say they trust this superstar about as far as they can throw them.
Firstly, the talent in WWE can throw each other pretty far, so that negates your entire analogy. Second of all, that just sounds like paranoia to me.
Corey, it's not paranoia when everyone calls this superstar the most untrustworthy individual they've ever had the displeasure of working with. Such a talented competitor. I think we're about to see one of her best matches yet.
And of all the possible matchups in this tournament, I'd say we've got one of the best in front of us right now.
Look, I'll admit, I've had my fingers crossed it would work out this way. This one has real show-stealing potential.
Ah, club with the right forearm.
She saw it coming.
What a wrist clutch suplex.
She manages to get control. One scouted.
Quick exchange of counters there.
Places her right in the corner. Forearm!
We're gonna kick the features off their face. Looking to apply an agonizing armbar stretch.
Just stretching out the arm.
Damage to the shoulder is definitely going to hamper your ability to fight.
Reversal after reversal, proving they did their homework.
Fends off the attack with an elbow.
Full Nelson applied. Dragon suplex.
Hoisting their opponent up for a fisherman buster.
She knows she's the best. She's just telling everyone else. Big right hand.
Ooh, she just turned it around.
Big knee to the midsection.
And it's reverse pain for that mistake. Ah, look at this. Oh, God, that hurt.
Big forearm. Nice amateur takedown all the way over.
Clubbing blow to the back.
Spray across the top turnbuckle, certainly not ideal.
Impressive reversal there. What grace. Float over to the DDT. She's beginning to flag a little.
Uh-oh. Half and half suplex. Lights out.
She heads out of the ring.
Interesting strategy. Waistlock. No, no.
Belly to belly.
My goodness.
Ooh, well-planted knee.
Ouch.
Setting them up for a
Fisherman buster.
She heads into the ring.
Showing her competition what a real superstar looks like.
She's in danger of a count out here.
I don't know if she cares.
Inverted DDT connects. Striking with a knee. Countered it just in time. Arm bar.
Oh, you have to protect your shoulders from hits like that. You don't want to compromise your ability to throw a punch or lock in a hold. Twists the arm and a big boot to the guts.
Oh, the death lock applied. Submission move.
This is agonizing. The death lock is in.
Look at it here.
This could be it.
And she fights it off.
This is no time to hesitate. You can feel the end coming. Escape just in time. It's cinched in. This could be it.
Oh, my God, a small package driver.
Big forearm. Arm wringer applied.
Down for a European arm breaker. As the arm bars stretch in. Punishing stretch. Hoisting their opponent up.
Fisherman's buster.
Got the arm. Disarmer. It's arm is trapped, but she gets away.
She heads out of the ring, but she needs to pay attention to the ref's count.
They've got their opponent's arm.
And a carefully measured knee drop.
Setting them up for a fisherman's buster. And a bad exchange there for her.
Yeah, she's fallen into trouble here.
Punishing stretch. Cuts off their offense with a swift elbow to the gut. Ooh.
Series of elbows looking to create separation. She does so.
Need to hustle back to the ring.
Just a few.
She's trying to create space. Comes back into the ring.
Uh-oh. Half and half suplex. Lights out. Boom.
Climbing the turnbuckle now. Brace for this impact.
Like a guillotine.
She had it scouted.
This is quickly turning into a slugfest. Boom!
Giving up now is not an option. They have to finish this.
So much pride, so much resiliency on display. Who will break first? That is the question. WWE Universe appreciating these efforts.
Fist after fist, neither one relenting here.
Ending this test of wills with a big exclamation point.
Oh, look at this. Look at the suplex off the top rope.
Hung across the top rope.
She's going for it. This could be. Digging deep for a kick out.
She just dug down deep there, but I don't know if she'll be able to do it again. Great awareness as she proves to be too quick. Knee to the gut. This is a testament to the sheer fortitude. Got the arm. Disarmer. Arm is trapped, but she gets away. Got the arm. Disarmer. It's got to be over. The singles match has come to an end. Wow.
Here is your winner, Samantha.
I can't imagine a world in which they're not proud of that win.
This win is huge. I'm sure they'll be posting about this on social media all week long.